All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Check this out, Jerry Corbit Persian flipper in the house, in the pouch, out of the pouch right now. You get to see something that started making knives in the early 90s, I believe 91. And these are folders, made with precious materials. Like in this case, you get some damas steel blade, damas steel bolsters, and carbon fiber scales, pocket clip, hand file work on the liners, which are jeweled on the inside. Look at this intricacy of the pattern. Really, really cool. Indeed, marble carbon fiber scales. F18 carbon fiber clip, titanium liners, they are jeweled on the inside within these standoffs. Check this out. Titanium thumb stud, nicely decorated with matching marble carbon fiber inlaid. How cool is that? It's a sleek one. In this case, you have to see the length of the blade, which is going to be like 3.5 for the length of the blade, but the cutting edge will be 3.25. Overall, for the handle is going to be 4.5, and the total knife 7 inches and a quarter. I like really much the contrast going on over here. I'm not sure about the choice on the pocket clip. It's springy. It's better of choice. Like bolsters are damas steel. I like them because they are hiding the pivot right below, and they kind of match the blade. So, and the marble carbon fiber also complements very well this yin and yang situation going on over here. Just the carbon fiber just adds another texture, another pattern to the two already, which are blending perfectly. And this adds a third, probably, that, I don't know. It can be easily swapped with something else because of the 3 classic. I believe this is an easy configuration if you are unhappy with the pocket clip, but this is the Persian fighter. This is a hollow grind with some flats. There's no sharpening choil. Nicely polished. You can see it's running on washers. And you want to know probably the weight, which I am going to tell you right away. Are you ready? This is not super light, I have to say. It's going to be 5 and 13 ounces in your pocket, so you're gonna feel it definitely, but it's pretty cool. Nicely done. Jeweled inside liners are a nice touch, of course. In the hand, it feels good. There's like some finger grooves going on over here. Very quiet deployment indeed. There you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.